The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, east central County in northeast Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near University Park and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include University Park, Steger, Park Forest, Matson, Chicago Heights, Olympia Fields, Linwood, Flossmoor, Glenwood, Tinley Park, Lansing, Orland Park, Calumet City, Midlothian, Posen, Dalton, Burnham, Blue Island, Alsop and Worth. This includes the south side of the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.